Hello, this is Principal Reyes. It is a pleasure to welcome you to the 2021-2022 Open House. The faculty and staff at Westbrook are working every day for a successful school year with their collaborative approach. I want to thank Westbrook PTO and our partners in education for the collaboration as well. You will see the partners in education representation at the end. We are working together with the new way of learning. The opportunities presented to us are making us stronger. I'm thankful that we are healthy to keep on moving up to provide the students the best education they deserve. We have our story as the theme of this year, our story. Everyone has a story, and we're providing students opportunities to share and learn. At the same time, we are providing tools for our story of success to be meaningful for every student. We will continue to work together to ensure student success is evident. Our students' work and scores will be the evidence we need to get back to the A spot Westbrook belongs. We are following OCPS health guidelines to ensure student health and safety. Your cooperation and the students' follow-up have been great, and we have been open because of you. We must continue to concentrate on the processes to continue advancement, evaluate what we have, determine what we can do to improve, and identify what we need to make those improvements. Remember, we are the best school with the best faculty and staff. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good gets better and your better gets best. Students, remember to show what you know the first time. Thank you for being part of Team Westbrook, a place of high expectations for all students, where our story of success takes place every day.